Giraffe doll hook tutorial issue 2. After we hooked up on the 8th lap, change thread on last stitch. Let's take a look at how to change the line. The hook is stretched. Then cross these two diagonal lines. Just put the needle in. Put all the lines at the back. Then we take out the color lines that need to be changed. Same way of taking the thread. Put it behind this piece and pinch it. Then bring the yellow wire directly over here. After bringing the line over, then we directly find the position of the first needle here. Bring the line here. Then bring the next coil and tighten it. After tightening, lock a stitch. Pull this white thread over to it. This completes the line change. Cut the white wire directly. Start knitting with yellow thread. Start knitting the 9th circle. What everyone needs to pay attention to here is that, from the 9th circle to the 11th circle, they are all knitting a circle of short stitches without adding or subtracting. Each round is knitted with 36 short stitches. After each round of knitting, you have to stand up. So let's finish knitting the 9 to 11 loops by yourself. After hooking up the 11th circle, do it directly on the first stitch. Trigger the collar to stand up and start knitting the 12th round. For 12 turns we need to knit 4 short stitches. After knitting the 4 short needles, the next stitch is a subtraction stitch. Turn 2 stitches into 1 stitch. Adjust the first needle first. Close to this half of our braid. The next needle is still to be adjusted. Close to this half of our braid. Bring me the line directly. Take off the 2 coil windings. This is a reduction needle. The rule of the 12th circle is 4 short stitches and 1 decreasing stitch are a group. Knit by repeating a set of stitches 6 times. 30 needles in total. You can complete 4 short stitches and 1 subtractive stitch by yourself. After the 12th circle is hooked, do it directly on the first stitch. Take the collar to stand up and start knitting the 13th round. 13 times we need to knit 1 short stitch without adding or subtracting. There are a total of 30 short stitches in this circle. So let's finish knitting this circle by ourselves. After hooking up the 13th circle, do it directly on the first stitch. Take the collar to stand up and start knitting the 14th round. For 14 rounds we need to knit 3 short stitches first. After knitting 3 short needles, the next stitch is a subtraction stitch. Turn 2 stitches into 1 stitch. This is a set of rules. The pattern of the 14th round is 3 short stitches. 1 subtraction needle is a group. Knit by repeating a set of stitches 6 times. A total of 24 stitches. Let's finish knitting this circle by ourselves. After hooking up the 14th circle, do a pull-up. Then stand up and take 1 stitch. Start knitting the 15th round. We need to knit 15 circles without adding or subtracting. There are a total of 24 short stitches in this round of short stitches. So let's finish knitting 15 circles by ourselves. After hooking up the 15th circle, do it directly on the first stitch. Pull out the connection and stand up 1 pin. Start knitting the 16th round. For 16 rounds we need to knit 6 short stitches first. After knitting 6 short needles, the next stitch is a minus stitch. Turn 2 stitches into 1 stitch. The rule of this group is 6 short stitches and 1 decreasing stitch are a group. Repeat this set of repetitions. Knit 3 times. A total of 21 stitches. Everyone, finish knitting this circle by yourself. After hooking up the 16th circle, make a pull-out connection and stand up a needle. Start knitting the 17th round. For 17 rounds we need to knit 1 short stitch without adding or subtracting. There are a total of 21 short stitches in this circle. So let's finish knitting 17 circles by ourselves. After hooking up the 17th circle, make the lead-out connection. Then stand up and start knitting the 18th round. For 18 rounds we need to knit 5 short stitches first. After knitting 5 short needles, the next stitch is a minus stitch. Turn 2 stitches into 1 stitch. This is a set of rules. The rule for the 18th round is 5 short stitches. 1 reduction stitch is repeated for a group. Repeat this group 3 times to knit a total of 18 frames. Everyone can knit it by themselves. After hooking up the 18th circle, do it directly at the first frame. Pull out the connection and stand up for 1 frame and start knitting the 19th round. 19 circles we need to knit a short frame first. The next frame is a subtraction frame. Merge 2 frames into 1 frame. This is a set of rules. The pattern of lap 19 is a short frame. A reduced frame is repeated as a group. Repeat this group 6 times to knit a total of 12 frames. Everyone, finish knitting this circle by yourself. Repeat with 1 short stitch and 1 scissor stitch. After the 19th circle is hooked, do some lead-in and connection. Then lock 1 stitch to lengthen the coil. We stuff the appropriate amount of stuffing cotton inside. After counting the filling cotton, we start knitting the last circle. In the last round we knitted 6 scissor stitches. Turn 2 stitches into 1 stitch. A total of 6 knits. You can knit by yourself using hook and scissor needles. After hooking up the 6 scissors directly at the first stitch, let's do a tail collar connection. Leave the thread a little longer and break it. Pull this thread over. Put this thread on the threading needle. Let's sew it up. When sewing, always pick the outermost layer of braid. Pick this circle. Everyone chooses by themselves. After picking this circle, we tighten it directly. After tightening it, we directly pick a thread. Then wind the wire twice. Bring the line here. Then insert the needle directly from the middle position. Thread the needle from any place. Pull this section in. That's how you close your mouth. After closing your mouth, this thread can be threaded back and forth inside the fabric for a few more stitches. Then we disconnect directly. This head is ready.